Hello.
Let's go.
Yay!
Oh, thank you so much.
Yay!
Mom, look at me.
Good things are yet to come.
Mama.
Hey!
Mama, look at this. Let's go.
Oh, wow. Help me!
Mama. Me.
Are you?
Mom, save me. This place is scary.
Oh no! The little girl was swallowed by the slide.
My love, where are you?
There was...
But I saw them! They took the backpack and ran inside! You have to hurry!
That building is empty. You're lying to a police officer.
right after.
Please save my child.
I saw that slide myself. That swallowed the little girl.
It's okay, I'm safe here.
Oh no!
I saw it with my own eyes.
No, no, no. There is no way that can happen. Help me!
It was the monster that swallowed the little girl.
It's okay. Your teammates will be here soon.
It has to be this location here, near the playground access.
If we approach from the south, we risk exposure.
It's the only viable option according to the schematic.
I'll reach the two of them. They were safe. Okay, I will take you two up.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Wait and see.